Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
All right, welcome back on into another episode of WSI TV. I'm Sean Bauer, Chief Editor of Wall Street Informer on wallstreetinformer.com. And my bartender right now, as you can see, is Jordan Bishop. Thank you for that drink, Jordan.
No problem, Sean.
Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, our versus round ended with Jordan actually losing out. His punishment was to be my bartender all week, and of course for this episode.
I'd say I've been doing a pretty good job, right?
Absolutely, yeah. kept the glass filled, so thank you for that. Now we have a wonderful episode planned for you today. We're actually going to start what we're calling the Trader's Handbook.
Yeah.
And we're starting off with something essential just to every trader, every investor. Mm-hmm. We're going to get to that a little bit later on, but first we just need an update on our current versus round.
Yeah, and I don't like the look of it so far, but you know, I have to be optimistic again because the past few stocks I've picked have bounced back up, and you know, they're looking real good now, but it's just all about the timing. So yeah, I mean, yours is looking fantastic.
I know, right? We do have, yours is HA, mine's UNVR. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and on a kind of a weird day for the market, mine's actually up 10% now on the week. So
yeah. Maybe it's opposite day, and hopefully the market will go up tomorrow and yours will go down.
yeah, we'll see. That could happen. We've certainly seen stranger things,
right?
That's for sure. All right, so versus ends next week. God willing,
Thursday,
yeah, mine will still be ahead, so you'll have to take another punishment. Don't want to guarantee a win, but
we'll see.
Hopefully. All right, so let's move on to our rapid fire round. As you probably already know, putting 60 seconds on the clock. As you guys keep sending in questions, which thank you very much, keep sending them in. As we get them, we just kind of stockpile, do a rapid fire round. We get through as many questions from you guys as we can. So you're ready to go there, Jordan?
Yep, I guess I'll start us off whenever you're ready. All right,
started.
Sean, what's the best time of the day to trade?
I like trading towards the very end of the day whenever the market's still open, just so you see what's happened over the entire day.
Right.
Jordan, how much do I need to get started investing?
Not very much, you know, especially if you're going to use our penny stock launchpad service. You know, you could start trading with as little as $100 if you do it right.
Absolutely.
Sean, are you looking at any specific sectors to trade in right now?
Yeah, Jordan, as you and I and Jim have been discussing, the energy sector is fantastic right now. We like several stocks in there, so that's really what we're looking into.
Yeah, I agree.
Jordan, what was the worst punishment from the wheel of misfortune that you suffered?
I'm going to be spiteful and say the Chelsea shirt.
Ooh, that cuts me deep.
All right. What time does the market open and close, and what days is it open?
Okay, so every weekday, this is really for beginning traders and investors. Every weekday, Monday through Friday, it's open from 9:30 to 4 Eastern time.
Yeah.
And of course, any big holidays, any federal holidays, the market's either closed or it's maybe a short day or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, it was actually closed on President's Day on Monday.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which was it's always sad around here when it's closed. You know, we like to watch it so closely, and we come into work and it's like
don't know what to do with ourselves. Yeah, exactly.
All right, what it is.
Solid rapid fire round. Let's move on then.
All right.
Okay, though, like I alluded to earlier, we're going to start the Trader's Handbook, and this was a great idea, Jordan. This is for anyone really, whether you're just starting out, you've never made a trade before.
Yeah.
Like us, you know, you're experienced investors and traders. It's just something that you want to have in your handbook. You know, to have in your arsenal all the time.
Exactly, and you know, this week's topic, paper trading, is something that we both started on. It was our foundation for trading. Mm-hmm. It's what made me really enthusiastic about my trades and wanting to jump into the stock market, and I'm sure it was the same for you, Sean.
Of course.
You know, it's a vital tool, and we're going to show you exactly how you do that right now.
Yeah, let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do whenever you're looking to do some paper trading is go into whatever brokerage account. If you don't have one, go ahead and start one. You can do so without putting any money in normally. And then all you're going to do is on whatever platform, again, this is Options Express, you can use Fidelity, E-Trade, whatever you want to do. Pretty much everybody has you know, this platform for you to use. Right. On Options Express, you're going to go to Toolbox and just scroll over to Virtual Trading. That's how we got to this page. And then of course this big green button, Launch Virtual Trade.
And usually they'll give you 30 days before they close your account out, but that's plenty of time for you to get in and navigate your way around.
And we're talking about paper trading, also known as virtual trading, and it's basically, I mean, just playing with fake money, isn't that right?
Exactly. They give you a set amount, a bank account, and I mean, you have to pretend as much as you can that this is real money to get the real feel for it.
Right.
It's a big amount of money. It's more than I started trading with, so I really had to grasp that. But you start getting, the more and more you get into it, you get tied to it, and it's just you get attached, and like in the real world, you lose money, that should hurt you.
Yeah, and just as a note, I mean, this is really, I think, perfect for the beginning trader. Whenever you're maybe like you just want to get your feet wet, you want to build some confidence before you start trading your own money.
Yeah.
But even if you're an experienced trader and you're trying to start something new, like if you want to start trading options now, you can use virtual trading, paper trading for that. So you're not putting your own money on the line whenever you're getting used to options, which is something we're going to go over in more detail in WSI TV as well. But just know it's kind of a more advanced technique to trade.
Yeah. But going back to just the idea of paper trading, like I said, that was really what gave me, I was really influenced to jump into the market, and obviously you have to do it intelligently, you don't want to rush into it. But it really just gives you a feel for reading charts, if that's what you want to do, or if you want to use one of our rec services, you could paper trade for a little bit through that and just see how we're doing, how you feel about the whole thing. I guarantee it, if you have the smallest interest in the stock market, this is the way you need to go.
Absolutely, yeah, and I think most virtual trading accounts, you can probably mess with the amount that you start with.
Yeah.
But I think the general rule is they give you, $25,000 of fake money to go use on your own.
Right.
And I have mine open right here. It's actually done quite well lately. To be honest, I forgot about it a bit, but this is one of my older ones. It's actually, as you can see, up $28,000. Which just, I mean, it helps you, again, gain confidence in whatever trading strategies you're using.
Yeah.
Just to know that it's really, really working before you put your own money on the line. And then you're fully prepared and you're good to go.
All right, so that was the first installment of our Trader's Handbook, and as you can see, we picked this one because it's a very vital tool. It's the first step you should take when getting involved in the stock market. You can use paper trading to, trade stocks that you like or stocks that we recommend through our rec services. It's really just the first stepping stone into the world of the stock market. I mean, as you know, and as I know.
Right, yeah, we've both used it. Jordan and I have used it. Jim Sampson used it. Pretty much any successful trader has started out with paper trading or has used it at one time or another.
Yeah, it's like riding a bike. You've got your training wheels on, your paper trading, and when you're ready to take them off, you can head for the profits in real life. But it's always good seeing, you get that feeling when you see your paper trade go up. You still get that feeling, and then you're attached to it, and then when it goes down, you get that feeling. And it's,
you do. It's one you need.
Exactly. It's one you got to get used to. You've got to handle it, and it's a good way to make sure your emotions are in check, which is a big, that might be another Trader's Handbook technique we touch on a little later, but
Yeah, you're absolutely right. That's a vital thing as well we'll get into, I'm sure. So actually, Mr. Bartender, can I get one last refill as we move on here?
Definitely.
While Jordan's filling my glass up, I just want to ask, please continue on with some more questions, some more ideas. If you have a new versus punishment for us to use, we really appreciate all the questions and comments you guys have been coming out with. So just keep those rolling in.
It definitely keeps us entertained. It keeps our minds working, and we want to know what you want to know, and we want to answer those questions for you. So
yeah, absolutely. If you haven't already, please just go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube WSI TV channel. There should be a link on your screen right now to be able to do that really easily. And if you enjoyed this episode, just go ahead and give it a like. We really appreciate knowing what you guys enjoy so we can give you more of it.
Right. And we've got some exciting news for WSI TV coming up,
yeah,
right?
Absolutely. Go ahead and let us know.
Yeah, we have, we're going to be putting out a new segment of WSI TV. We're calling it the Weekend Wind Down. That'll be coming straight to you on Sundays. You'll be enjoying your cup of coffee with us on Sunday morning. We'll be talking about anything from, the stock market, real estate.
Useful things in really a more conversational style. Maybe some of our preferences and things like that. So just join us on Sunday mornings. We'll get some more good information, maybe some less technical stuff,
and you'll see that in your email inbox on Sunday. So and we've also got my new column that's coming out on WallStreetInformer.com, which if you're getting these emails, you'll see this column coming to you soon. WSI TV Extra. So keep posted for that. I'll be touching on the things we talk about here. I'll be expanding on them.
Right.
We can touch on some more of your questions in more depth.
So be sure to join us this Sunday morning whenever we put out that first installment of the Weekend Wind Down. And as we wind down this episode, do you have any final notes for us, Jordan?
Yeah, and I'm always bringing you stats about the Dow, and I feel like maybe I'm talking about it too much, but it's just how crazy like the Dow Jones chart is acting right now.
It's insane.
I just want to throw this one at you. Thursday, the Dow closed its 10th straight record high day.
Wow.
Which is crazy. I mean, we were talking about the NASDAQ the other week closing 7 straight high days, and that was, amazing. The Dow Jones.
It's insane. It's just soaring right now. Absolutely insane.
So,
Yeah, we'll see when it comes back down to earth. All right. Well, on behalf of Jordan and I want to thank you for joining us for this episode of WSI TV, and we will speak to you next time. Cheers.
Thanks for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV. Be sure to visit wallstreetinformer.com, where you can become a member for free and gain instant access to the secrets of market millionaires via the Wall Street Informer Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at wallstreetinformer.com.